Thank you, Jonathan, Danny, Simon, and Gareth. What an epic ride. 10 days of adrenaline, adventure, and breathtaking landscapes. Thank you for being part of this unforgettable journey with Indochina Motorbike Tours. Our adventure kicked off from Hanoi, leading us straight into the scenic valleys of Mai Chau, where lush rice fields and traditional stilt houses gave us the first taste of Vietnam's natural beauty. Next, we conquered the legendary Ta Xua, where rugged off-road trails and the famous Dinosaur Spine Ridge put our riding skills to the test. Riding above the clouds, every turn was a perfect blend of challenge and reward. Then came Mu Cang Chai, a paradise of golden rice terraces stretching as far as the eye could see. The dirt tracks through the rolling hills made for an exhilarating ride before we headed towards Sapa, the heart of Vietnam's highlands. A stop at Bac Ha Market was a cultural highlight, colorful, vibrant, and full of life. Meeting the ethnic communities and experiencing their traditions added a special touch to our adventure. But the true test of endurance awaited in Ha Giang. The legendary Ma Pi Leng Pass, with its breathtaking views and winding roads, reminded us why this region is a must-ride for any motorbike enthusiast. The rugged beauty, the endless mountain ranges, and the thrill of every sharp turn made this one of the most exhilarating parts of the tour. Finally, we reached the tranquil Ba Bay Lake, a perfect contrast to the adrenaline-filled days before. Cruising through this peaceful national park, surrounded by lush jungle and serene waters, was the ideal way to end an incredible journey. The passion for adventure, the camaraderie, and the never-give-up attitude on this ride made it truly special. No challenge was too tough, no road too long. You conquered it all. To all riders looking for the ultimate off-road experience, this 10-day epic Vietnam dirt bike tour is one for the books. From rugged mountain passes to hidden ethnic villages, from adrenaline-pumping dirt trails to breathtaking landscapes, this tour has it all.
Just the better.
Alright?
All the water.
Oh, it pissed on me. Oh, alright. I better go.
This is clean water.
I'm gonna go.
It was clean water.